am Ugandan, and I am proud to be Ugandan. Yeah, so let's go.
Wanjira Uganda, Wamaro,
Let's go get 'em. From the border rise to downtown. Yeah. Come on.
Wamaro,
Love my UG, I can't lie. When the sun came up, the pearl gave light, and the light reignited to the souls in sight. So now I'm standing, head held high, hand up with pride, head in the sky. Uganda, my motherland, no other place, no other land. Buganda, Tupadola, Kiss Kama Wakato, Jawaron, cause we all are one. So people come to a place with no guns, but the Nile runs up north and pours out for our cause. So on board, people, let's go to a land with beautiful people. There's no other place in the world I know where there's love all year long. Yeah.
Wanjira
Eugene, the place that I hail from. From the border rise to downtown. Downtown, all around. Love my UG, I can't lie. So as we journey on into a land far beyond, where men stand firm, kids play, women stay strong. At home, making homegrown cooked meals, oh how it feels good, oh how surreal. The mood stays each year, yeah, which is why we keep here. No need for fear, peace perseveres. Loud cheers, chants down the streets. Celebration, no need for jeers. A sovereign nation, unified with pride. So wave your flag and keep it high. It doesn't really matter where you are from. The Pearl of Africa reunites all. On the bus, yeah, on the plane, on the bike, let's try. On the border rise to downtown. Beloved, love my UG, I can't lie. Productive fields, lakes and trees, beautiful sceneries, all I see. Smiling faces, steady pacing, treading places, none complacent. Hard workers keep on pushing to the wee hours, keep it moving. So utterly, like bumblebees, yet utterly so sincere. My country is the dream of all nations, clear to see. So we dare to lead the way forward, follow me to a place where we can be free and live happily. So please come with me, cause you need to see it. Yeah, what you get is what you see. True, on the border rise to downtown. Yeah, dance, move. Love my UG, I can't lie. Yeah, UG to the road.